5 low competition AI businesses that you can start today. And no, I am not talking about that same old recycled ideas you keep hearing online. Like, I'm not going to be talking about social media content creation or blog posts or AI bots. These are actual businesses that you can start today, and I'm going to take the time and show you how each one of them works. So I made this list for at least one of these to be your next move. If you don't like the first one, cool. Wait to the next one. And at the end of this video, I am going to show you guys how to get access to this new game-changing AI tool that is invitation only, and people have tried to pay thousands of dollars to get into this. And guess what? I'm going to show you how to get into it for free. So definitely make sure you guys stick around to the end for that. You guys ready to get into this? Let's go. Okay, now this first idea is so good, I should probably save it for the end, but I'm not gonna gatekeep. So here's the deal. Every successful business is in business because it solves a problem. And there's a real problem out there, especially if you're hungry and indecisive like me. So let's talk about DoorDash. So if you're a user like me and you ever scroll through the menu on the app and there are no pictures, like, I love Mediterranean food so much, but I have no idea what this stuff is. So I need pictures to make me say, oh, I want that. Like, how am I supposed to know what a Macaulay or a Labna is? I need to see it. And if I see it, I want it, I buy it. If I don't, I skip it and I keep on scrolling. So here's the business idea. You reach out to these restaurants and say, hey, I love ordering from you, but I noticed some of your menu items don't have photos on DoorDash. I didn't know what it was, so I didn't order it. But I'm a content manager and I actually got a great photo of it for you. Adding images like this can help increase your sales. And I'd love to help you get more of these up on your listing. Boom, you can send that email and you just pitch a service that solves a real problem and helps them make more money. So here's how I do it. Let me go to the computer. I'm gonna show you how to use AI to make this an actual business. So a really smart way is to actually go to the Google reviews and then go to images to see images of their actual stuff, because they're gonna be like, oh, that's our dish. They know that. They're gonna be like, oh, wow, how did they get this? So one of the things that I would do, this looks like an already good picture. So what I'm gonna do is just use the snipping tool I have, and I'm going to snip this, and I am going to save this and use this AI tool called Let's Enhance. And it's a pretty cool tool where it will enhance the image to make it look a little bit even better than this. So what I'm gonna do is, now I saved it. All you gotta do, this is free. You get a couple of these for free. So, and you can tell it what to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop this image that I just downloaded or saved. And let's see how it's gonna look. So I upload the image here. I wanna use their magic tool to make it look even better. And then I'm going to go to auto strength. I wanted to say, I'm just gonna tell it what to do it. So enhance this image to look super appetizing for this restaurant to have on their menu. I'm just telling it what I want it to do. I don't know if it's gonna do it, but let's see. Image description. I don't know if that is the description. Let's see. Optional text to guide. Oh, so yeah, this is to guide the upscaling more effective with high strength. And oh, so it's being more specific. Give it high strength. You know, you can figure out how to say this. Okay. Similarly, I want them to remove the background, and just so I can just get just this image right here. And I'm gonna say, all right, it's AI, gonna use the magic and start processing, and then we can see what it populates for us. And this will be the image that we send to them because it's gonna look better, and they're gonna say, oh wow, this looks really good. This is our own product. Okay, so it took a couple minutes for this to download. Let's see what we get. So I'm gonna go ahead and download it, and I'm gonna show you what the original image looked like, just so we can compare and see if this thing did anything. So to me, it looks better. Like, it looks glossier, it looks more juicier than the original image right here that I just got from Google Images. So I don't know if you can tell the difference, but I definitely can. It looks pretty good and appetizing. And compared to this one right here, it's just okay. This one right here is, yeah, I want to order that. Now look how cool that is. So this is something that it looks really good. You know, obviously it shows the plate missing a little bit, but that's just because that's how I crop the image. But that looks really good to me. And I would send this to them and say, hey, I saw that you're missing an item. Now this is something that I would say, hey, that looks good. That's my product. I want that. And this is a service that you definitely can start by just doing this. Now, I went to ChatGPT and I asked them, okay, how much should I charge for this? These are some options that they gave: $50 per image, $200 for 5 images, $350 for 10 images. They even showed you how to pitch this. I offer high quality food photography. Guys, go ahead and just pause this if you like this offer. And you can even say, they even gave you how to sweeten the deal. You can say, right now I'm offering a bonus if you go with the $5 or $10 image bundle. And then they have other things here too for bonus tips. After you do the 3 to 5 restaurants, collect before and after photos and a quick testimonial. Mention things like this just saw a 17% increase in orders in 1 week after we updated the photos. So make sure you go back to see if any sales have increased because they now have added photos. This is definitely a service that it can definitely do well, and I highly recommend. This is a business that is completely untapped, low competition. Take advantage. All right, now this next one is a little different because you're not offering a service to anyone really, but you're making money utilizing this AI tool through affiliate marketing, which, by the way, is one of my top income streams. So that's why I'm always going to be talking about affiliate marketing, because I know it works. And in this case, we're talking about doing it on TikTok. Now, I get it, TikTok's not for everyone, but look at this. This guy made $3,100 in 1 hour doing a video like this.
This stuff is incredible, and they just launched on the TikTok shop, and they're running a deal, so you can click this link and get yours today. A caffeinated protein milk. Let's test it out. This is strawberry, 90 calories, 20 grams of protein, and 60 milligrams of caffeine.
Now, isn't that something you could do? TikTok is a whole other beast, and they've got this thing called TikTok Shop, where people are spending millions every single day. Now, here's how it works. People talk about a product or they do a TikTok just like I showed you. Someone watches it, they get curious, they click on the product where they can buy it, and then they buy it. And when they do, you get a commission for every single time people do that. And a lot of people are doing that. So the way he came up with this idea to even promote caffeinated milk was he used this AI tool to spot up and coming products. Now, yes, caffeinated milk sounds gross, but people bought it. A lot of people. And this AI tool does not just show him the products that were up and coming. It actually showed him which TikToks were doing well promoting this product. So what did he do? He made the same kind of videos. He put his own spin to it, and it went viral. No fancy camera, no lighting setup. And not every video is gonna pop off, but the more you do, the more you're gonna learn, and the more chances you have for these videos to go viral and make money by just promoting a simple product. So to get started, you're gonna need to apply to TikTok Shop. Now, some people are saying you need thousands of followers to actually get accepted into this program. But I applied and I got accepted with only 100. Just apply, see what happens, and see what you need to do to get accepted into this program, and then go to their affiliate program where you can look at all the different products that they have that you can promote, and use this AI tool that I'm gonna put in the description below so you guys can see what's up and coming, see what you can promote, see how to promote it, and do it and make some really good money. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I can go more in depth. I just wanted to give you a little insight into this way to make money online using these AI tools. Next up is something local businesses desperately need, especially companies like plumbers, HVAC, pest control, and more. These are the get it kind of done guys. They're amazing at what they do, but when it comes to marketing, let's just say it's not their strong suit. But here's the thing. Marketing is non-negotiable if they want to grow. And that's where you come in. Now let me show you how you guys can step in and help these businesses out and get paid for doing it. So I was recently looking for a pest control company for this video, and I found a really good example to show you exactly what I'm talking about. So I found this company called J&H Pest Control. They had great reviews, but they didn't have a website, they didn't have a logo, and they didn't have a receptionist or anything. So this is what I want to show you guys how to do. So let's go to the computer. So using Canva, you guys, using this thing called Dreamlab, it is a game changer. I literally just put in a prompt that says, I need a logo for a pest control company called J&H. Add some pests on the logo and then show that you can exterminate them. And look what it gave me. By just putting in this little prompt, I will put it right here, but this is what it gave me. It gave me these really high quality logos. Like, this looks so good. So I'm like, this is literally something I did in seconds. It looks so professional. And I can show these different versions. So logo, yes, check. Now, website. They don't have a website. So what do? We use this tool called Go High Level. And I've been using Go High Level for years now. And I want to show you how they have this new AI tool that will create you a website in minutes. So check this out. So right here, I'm going to go to sites right here. And I'm going to literally create a site for them. Now what you have to do is go over here to new funnel. and you should go to funnel AI, and then you say create using AI with seconds. So say continue. So I put in J&H pest control, and you select the industry. So I want to pick pest control, right? Because they already have this all set up. So I want to go and find this industry called pest control. There's so many industries in here. You guys can literally just go and play with this and do this for so many companies. But I'm going to show you just what it looks like for pest control. Pest control, you click next, and let's look at the site it just created. Now, doesn't this look like a high quality site? Yes, I'm going to change the images. I'm going to go to unsplash.com, try to find some images of pest control things that might be relevant to this site. But this is a site, and it looks really professional, and it did it in minutes. It even included pest control. Like, I don't even have to come up with a copy for all this stuff. It's already talking about this stuff. It's even adding testimonials that I could obviously swap out for what they already have on Google. And they even have FAQs. It's all in here. It's just ridiculous how much they did this in 1 minute, guys. All I gotta do is go ahead and make the edits to this, and bam. This is what I'm talking about. This is how you can create this stuff in minutes using AI. You don't have to know how to create a website. You just need to know how to search for it on this tool and let it do the work for you. And I can tell you, most of these guys do not have a receptionist. And you can have an AI receptionist, have it set up on Go High Level, where customers will now never get sent to voicemail again. They can literally take all the information and act as an assistant for them, where they don't have to pay an actual person to do this. They can save a lot of money and get this stuff automated for them. You could be the one that does this for them. Now imagine packaging all of this into a done for you offer. You just become the hero who helps them get more calls, more customers, and more money with zero effort on your part. And that's how you create an irresistible offer. You're gonna need to use the tool Go High Level to create websites, to use the AI receptionist. And I know most of you wouldn't have no idea to how to really get into this. So I didn't want to just say, oh, here's an idea, and kind of still leave you hanging. Because I used Go High Level years ago, and I did the agency plan because I heard someone talk about it and I got excited. So I started paying $500 a month for months and not making any money because I had no blueprint. I had no one to really guide me through this stuff. Now I have a 30-day free trial, but what is a 30-day free trial gonna do you if you don't know how to actually use the system and get clients? So I asked my friend Andy, who I interviewed on this channel a couple months ago, and he's killing it. He's a Go High Level agency expert. He's making over $100,000 a month. So I told him I'm doing a video on this. I wanna help people actually make money with Go High Level. So we said, if there's enough interest out there, we're gonna actually do a workshop for you guys, free of course, because I wanna show you how to make money with this software for 30 days. So if you have a 30-day free trial, I wanna show you how to make money within that 30 days for free before you start paying and get screwed like I did. I'm gonna put a link to the waitlist in the description below. So if you guys are interested, check it out below. So that's another idea, but now I'm gonna show you one more idea, and then I'm gonna show you how to get access to this invitation-only AI tool. Now this last one is one of my favorites, and Matt from Future Tools created a website that collects and organizes AI tools and categories. And he makes thousands of dollars off people just clicking on his links off his website and signing up for these AI tools because they are all connected to his referral links. This is called affiliate marketing at its best. But the tough part about what Matt is doing is getting people to his website. You need a platform that already has people going to it looking for this kind of information. So what platform is that? It's YouTube, right? And one smart way of making money on YouTube is through tutorials. People will go to YouTube because they want to find out how something works. You know, that's probably why you're here. So a really smart way to make money with AI is reviewing AI tools that have affiliate programs. So how do you find affiliate programs for AI tools? Well, you just Google it. If you Google AI affiliate programs, you're gonna find a ton of different AI affiliate program articles that pop up. Now let me show you how it works. So if I go to AI affiliate programs, and then just kind of looking through, I'm gonna click on this article right here. And they have 29 best affiliate programs. So I'm gonna just highlight this one right here. So all these have affiliate programs. I'm gonna just quickly cover how this works. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section. And then I'm gonna go to YouTube. So I'm gonna say, does anyone even care about this AI affiliate tool right here? So one thing I'm gonna do is put this right here. Now, what I like about this is what search is all about. And they're literally telling me what people search for when they put in this word. People are searching for writing a tutorial. So let me write that in here. and see what's showing up in the search results. So 10,000 a year ago, and I see that this guy doesn't have a lot of subscribers, and then this video did pretty well. And so I see that there's interest in this. So I'm saying I would ask myself, okay, I would do some further research, but I'm like, I could probably do a tutorial on pro writing aid. And the strategy that I would use is I would apply for their affiliate program, but I will also contact the affiliate program. And I would say, is there a discount that I can give to my users when I'm promoting your product? Because you want to give people an incentive to click on your link. You don't just want them to watch your video. You want them to click on your link and make a purchase. So if you can say, and if you click on the link below, you get 10% off or something like that, that increases the likelihood for them to click on your link rather than someone else's. So that's how it works. That's a whole business model that you could do and do it on the side. Like, this is not something that you need to do full time. You can do this part time and make a really great income out of this. Now, I was on X, and there is this game changing AI tool that is not even really open to the public yet, except it's invitation only, and I'm about to give you access to it. But let me show you exactly what's inside. So on X, I saw this guy was talking about this thing, that how it's the closest thing to AGI that they've seen so far. It can literally do anything. It analyzes Tesla stock in just 1 hour. It can plan full trips on its own. It assigns itself tasks, browses the web, researches flights and hotels, and builds itineraries. Like, it's insane. You can build playable 3D games in a matter of hours instead of weeks. Some say Manus is outperforming OpenAI's deep research, and I'm about to show you how to get access to it right now. So what we're gonna do is go over here to Manus right here, their website, and what you wanna go to do is go ahead and get started. So you're gonna see here that you need an invitation code, right? But I was able to get accepted in hours, and I have to give credit to this to Nick Ponce, because I watched one of his videos and he talked about how to get access to this, and it worked like a charm. So I'm gonna do the same thing for you guys. So to get access to this, you're gonna go ahead and join the waitlist. You're gonna put in your email, and they're gonna say, what use case would you like Manus to execute for you? So what you do is just say, to help me with digital marketing. So you can just put that simply right here. Now, profession, this is the key right here. For profession, you're gonna say, I teach people how to make money with AI. That's what you write right here. And then your work email, just put in your work email, any social media accounts you have, say I am human. And this worked for me where I was able to get accepted within hours, and then I started using this tool. So go ahead, take advantage of this, and be one of the few people that have access to this new crazy AI powered tool, and see how you can even start making money with this. You can literally just ask it, how can I make money with you? And it would tell you. So if any of these were some game changing ideas for you, let me know, which one would you want to choose? I love to hear from you guys, so I want to see who sticks around to the end of my videos. So which one of these was your favorite? If it was none, just say none. But I think some of these are some great ideas that you can really make some great money with. So let me know in the comment section below. Now, as always, thanks for watching. If you want to see another game-changing video, you definitely want to check this one out, more about AI.